Hey guys, it's Diane Mary and I have my January 2018 favorites in here. So I have hair care, skincare, makeup, snacks. So I'm just gonna go right into it talking about some of my favorite products of the month. So first thing, should be no surprise, Devacurl Melt Into Moisture, and I know I've been talking about this mask on my channel so much. I'm just so incredibly obsessed with it, especially that there were days in January where it was really bitter cold and my hair is dry as it is. The cold weather makes it even more dry, and this is just so intensely moisturizing. I've been using it as a mask every week and also leaving a little bit in my hair as a leave-in, and it's just been like part of what's saving my hair this winter. So done it in favorites before, I've talked about it before, but it was worth mentioning again because it is still a favorite. So next I have a snack. I've been trying to really eat healthy, high protein. I'm doing new workouts too, which I will consider another favorite because I did write it on my favorites list. But I do Beachbody workouts. I'm not a coach. I have no desire to be a coach, so do not bug me and ask me if I want to be a coach. But I do these new workouts called 80 Day Obsession by Autumn Calabrese, and it's a new workout every single day, and it's really great. It's keeping you guessing. I've been sore nonstop, but because that program tends to focus a lot on lower body, and like my upper body and my arms are my problem area, like I hate my arms with a passion, I've kind of been hybriding it with some of the muscle training workouts by Siggy Caleb, who does Body Beast. He was the other trainer with Autumn and Master and Chisel. I've been really liking those workouts a lot, and I've just been making sure to eat like high protein snacks and eat a little better, with the exception of my birthday weekend, which is this weekend, or this past weekend by the time I get these up, because, you know, it's your birthday, you have to enjoy it. But one of my favorite snacks, which has been a snack for so long, is called Mooncheese, and there's different flavors. I have cheddar here. Cheddar and mozzarella is my favorite, but they're basically like cheese that's crunchy and so good. They're high in protein. There's only one carbohydrate, and there's very like few ingredients in here. So if you want to see the ingredient list, it's right there. But they're delicious. This isn't really a one size bag. You do have to pace yourself. Like 6 to 7 pieces are 70 calories and 5 grams of protein. So I usually have about 12 pieces, and they're delicious, and they also have calcium. And I know there's a lot of people out there that are like blah 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 dairy, don't eat it, whatever, but I'm not one of those, so save it. I don't want to hear it. Moving on. I'm just telling it like it is. It's at that point in life, you know. But another product by Devacurl, which I kind of rediscovered. It's been sitting on my shelf, but this is the styling cream, and I reached for this again. They posted, no, actually, I think Hi Felicia posted it when she went to Texas with Devacurl, which is awesome, to do a training, that the styling cream has more hold than the super cream, where the super cream is more moisturizing. So I'm like, you know what, I have styling cream, I haven't really used it in a while, let me use it again. And I've been really liking this for day 2 or day 3 hair, because it's giving back moisture, and it's giving me a little hold, which my hair likes, because my hair generally prefers a hard hold. And you know what, as much as I love super cream, I do like the scent of the styling cream better. Super cream smells like coconuts, but this smells like Skittles, and it's so good. So that's the travel little size, by the way, but I'm going to pick up a big size because it's amazing. So moving on, we're just going to keep going through everything. So this is by Curls, and this is from the new Cashmere and Caviar collection. I recently reviewed this on my channel and blog. I will post the links below. This collection is going to be on Curls.biz February 1st, and then it's coming to Target in the spring. Ideally, this collection was made for like type 4, like textured, really tight, pretty curly hair. Clearly, I do not have type 4 hair, but because my hair is so dry, so frizzy, I looked at the ingredients in here. I'm like, you know, those ingredients my hair is gonna like, so I wanted to review the line. So this Cashmere and Caviar hair jelly, don't like it on wet hair, straight up. Not a fan of it on wet hair, but this is another product for day 2, day 3, where I'll put it on, and it could be like a one and done product. Well, maybe I'll use a refresher spray with it, but any frizz that popped up, gone. It's shine, soft hold, really nice as a styler. And there's Cashmere Caviar, there's omegas in here, there's vitamins in here, so it's kind of treating your hair as it styles it, which is nice too. So continuing on, I took 2 of my Diane skincare products out. I know this is another thing, this line, I've been talking about it so much, but generally when I really like stuff, I just talk about it and don't shut up. And this line I've been using since November. I'll post my reviews. The line has been changing my skin because I do have like acne prone adult acne skin, so I've been doing the regimen that Diane did call for me. But with this winter, I gotta say, the skin Quencher and this Hydraluxe cream, they're keeping my face like nice and moisturized because I have combo skin. And before I started using this line in the winter, I was kind of getting these like dry patches, like this flakiness around like my mouth and my chin. And since I started using her line, I haven't got those patches, even though the weather's been really cold. So these have been really moisturizing, hydrating, like a drink of water for my skin without being too heavy, too greasy, or making me break out, which a lot of heavy moisturizers can do. You know, if I use something that's really moisturizing, it's greasy and I break out. Not with those, they're fantastic. So another thing, another hair product, good old Olaplex. When I used to color my hair, one of the salon that I went to used Olaplex on me, and when I took it home, they didn't tell me how to use it the correct way. So, I mean, I feel like I'm just like learning about Olaplex all over again. Now, even though I haven't put any color or chemicals or anything in my hair for 3 years in February, I decided to get Olaplex again because I still have some damage on the ends. The front pieces always drive me nuts. And I see so many curly girls and guys use Olaplex, and it's just taken their hair to a new level. So, I'm jumping on that train. I know when I went to my Diva cut with LaToya 2 weeks ago, she used the Olaplex number 2, which is a salon treatment, and then yesterday I did the number 3, and it's not a conditioner, it is not a protein treatment, it is a bond restructure. I mean, plenty of people have YouTube videos about this. If you do want me to do my own YouTube video about it, let me know, and I will. But what I did yesterday is I washed my hair, like I did Devacurl, like no poo decadence to cleanse it. I used Olaplex, left it in for an hour while I worked out, actually rinsed it out, and then I went in with the Devacurl Melt into Moisture and Deep Sea Repair, the mix, and it's really helping like the frizz and the damage, adding shine, so good stuff. And a little goes a long way too. So also, this is a product that I'm going to be reviewing really soon on my channel, and this is by Briogeo, and this is the Don't Despair Repair, the Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This is brand new. This is so innovative. I never heard of a leave-in mask. It's a mask that is in a spray, and this is not an aerosol spray too, which is good because there's no alcohol denat in it, which could sometimes be drying if you use it too much. But this is basically their Don't Despair Repair mask, which is like one of my top 3 favorite masks of all time. It's a leave-in form, so it'll continuously help to repair your hair, strengthen it, reduce breakage like all day long. Ideally, it's meant for wet hair after the shower because there is encapsulated argan oil in here, so I save it for after the shower. And even like I've been using it alone as a leave-in. I've been trying to test with other leave-ins, so when I do my full review I have details, but I just spray it all over, concentrating on the damaged parts. Smells amazing, really nice, adds shine, and you'll see my full review of this and the new shampoo that came out really soon. Moving on, so this is another product by Curls, and this is Blueberry and Mint Tea Scalp Treatment, and this is something I'm doing to help my hair grow. I think between this and the Curls, the Blissful Lens, the liquid vitamins, that is really helping my hair grow. I use this every single night for my scalp massage. It comes in a dropper. It's not a super heavy oil, which I like, and I can't get this open. Okay, here we go. But it's really like a thin water consistency. I use like just 1 dropper for my whole head, massage it in with the pads of my fingers or like my Vanity Planet scalp massaging brush. And I think it's doing a good job, and it smells minty, so it smells nice, and there's great ingredients inside. So that is another favorite. I keep going. So another thing, I have makeup now. I think that is all the hair care, yeah. That's all the hair care. We have makeup and it's one more snack. But I've been really into Colourpop shadows, and I really like them. I've had some of them for a while, but their pressed shadows are amazing and they're really affordable. So I just got the palette to like put all the shadows I had that were kind of scattered together. So I have like a make my own palette. So these are just the shadows. This is the make my own dream palette. So they're all light shades. They're shades of pinks and purples, which is what I like. But the finishes, they're just really great for inaffordable but such quality. I've really been reaching for them a lot. They wear all day on my lids. Good stuff. Last snack before the rest of the makeup. These are just pumpkin seeds, and like I said, I've been trying to snack a little better, and pumpkin seeds, they are a good source of healthy fats as well as iron, which my body needs because I do have very low iron. They're tasty, they're salty, so they have that like craving of a chip or a pretzel, but like there's beneficial vitamins in these without it just being like nonsense carbohydrates that I really don't need. So I do measure out the portions so I don't like just overeat them, because portion controlling is really important too. But just another snack I've been enjoying. On to makeup. So this has been a lip color. This is actually the lip color I have on with the gloss. The gloss I have on top of this color is the Laura Geller. This is the Color Luster Gloss in Diamond Dust. I got this around Christmas, and it's a really pretty like shimmery holographic gloss, which is not sticky. It makes my lips look plump, really pretty. But the color I have on under it is, this is one of the new Kylie, the Silver series, the bullet lipsticks she just came out with. This is the color Infatuation, and I've been obsessed with this formula and this color. I've been reaching for it so much. It is a light pastel pink. You could see it says Kylie right there on the lipstick, which is a perfect light, cool tone pastel pink. I've been reaching for it nonstop. Smells good too. Smells like vanilla. I wound up when these launched, I kind of caved in. I got 3 colors, and I do really like the other 2 colors I got too, but this color is just amazing. If you know any color that's like this, please let me know, because I have this big fear that I'm going to run out of it. So it's just a basic light, cool tone pink that I think is really nice, and the formula is really long wearing, which I like, because not all bullet lipsticks are long wearing, but that's something else. Then we have from Doll 10, and this you're going to see a detailed review really soon as well. By the way, the reason I haven't been doing makeup videos on my channel is that I had a ring light. The ring light broke. I had to go get it refunded, and the new ring light I ordered is taking like a month to get here. I do have another little light in the meantime, but for makeup wise, I just rather use the ring light, so I'm just waiting. But these are brand new by Doll 10, and they are incredible. So these are the Hydraluxe liners and the shadow sticks, just like Hydraluxe foundation, which I happen to have on today. They're smooth, buttery, pigmented. I like that both of these, they don't bother my really sensitive eyes. They don't make them water. I especially like that these liners, there are 3 colors here too. Let me put these down and show you. We have a brown, and you'll see swatches when I do my full review. But we have a brown, we have a brightener that I do on my lower waterline, and then we have a black. I like that they stay on my waterlines all day, because sometimes my eyes could tear liners off. But they're just amazing, amazing liners, great quality. And then the shadow sticks you could also use as liners. There's a rose gold one, there's another brightening one, and a brown one. And these you could use on your lids as all over shadows. You don't need a primer with them. They're not going to move. Smooth out the eyelids. You guys will see in my full review. They're fantastic. Then we have another concealer that this is not a new concealer actually. I got this about a year ago, and then I saw it on my time hop. I'm like, I forgot I had that concealer, and I really liked it. So I took it out to play with it again, and this is another product by Gelle, and this is the Brighten and Conceal Multitasking Concealer. This is the shade Light. I think Fair rather would be a little better option for me, because this runs pretty golden yellow. But this is really good on the under eye area. I have it on today at just concealing and brightening my dark circles. Wears all day, doesn't crease, powder doesn't cake over it, and I forgot how much I liked it. So I was glad I saw it on time hop, because I took it out of my drawer and I'm using it again. So last but not least, more makeup. NYX just came out with like a whole DuoChrome line, and I'm like a DuoChrome sucker. I love it. I love the shape shifts and everything. So I just got 2 of the glosses and 2 of these illuminating powders that you could also use as shadows, and they're just beautiful. Alright, these I will swatch for you. I wasn't going to swatch anything, but I can't help it. The glosses are very like multi-dimensional. They're so pretty. This color is called Gypsy Dreams, and this is like a purpley lavender color. And then we have this pink color that is called Booming. So these are the 2 glosses, and they have a whole bunch more, but I didn't really need all of them. But let me see. That's with the lighting. It's not the most ideal for makeup coloring right now, but and then the powders. This is called Snow Rose, and this Snow Rose. Like I said, these I like to use as eyeshadows too. And this is called Lavender Steel. This one over here. So really, really pretty stuff. So yeah, that is it for my January favorites. If you guys find any stuff and you like it, let me know. If there's anything that you want me to elaborate on, let me know. I will post blog posts and other YouTube videos I have on this stuff in the description below. Like I said, some reviews are coming, like the Briogeo and the Doll 10, and those 4 reviews are going to be coming really soon. So if you guys could thumbs up this video if you like it, and you're not subscribed and you like me, please subscribe. It would mean so much, and I will see you next video. Bye guys!